All right, everybody, check it out. We're at the cabin, or the shelter, basically. This is an emergency shelter on the top of Mount San Jacinto. They have some good supplies, emergency supplies here. And we have a Stokes litter up there and some other types of things. And bedding for 4 people at least. And they don't have a fireplace anymore, but super bitchin'. Have you guys ever been up here? If you have, leave a comment below. If you haven't and you want to know exactly where this place is and how rad it is, leave another comment. See ya.